Hello, I am Tanner Roark, and we are here in southern Africa, in Malawi. We're at the NASA test facilities for the southern region of Africa. Now, I've worked in a lot of places over the years, but none more interesting than this place. I want to share something with you today about something that I found very interesting, the Zomba space rock. It tests everything we know about space, time, and humanity itself. We are in an undisclosed location on Zomba Plateau, and if you look down to my left, you will find the Zomba space rock. You know, every time I come here, I get this feeling, just like amazement, of mystery. There's something happening here that is unexplained, and we're just looking to try to figure out what's going on here. Very special place. So there's a lot of ideas surrounding the Zomba space rock. One of them is that it dates back to the Ice Age, where at some point there was a giant ice ball that had fallen on Earth, collected dust, rock, gravel, and then this gravel formed around the ice ball, forming this rock. Now, when the Ice Age was over, it began melting out of the rock, leaving a hollow space inside, thus making the hollow sounding noise. You can hear that. It sounds as if it's hollow, as if you're rapping on a gas canister or a metal pole of some sort. So the idea is that it could possibly be hollow, but the question becomes, how does a rock this big become hollow? We're even trying to figure out how can we harness the energy from this rock to do something with it.
What type of energy is it generating?
Atmospheric energy, mostly. Just want to get underneath here. Yeah, this is... Oh man, this is something the world needs to see. So, there is another story about this rock, how it came to be. Locals are saying that there was, in fact, a leopard quite a long time ago that had crawled up. He had died, and rock formed around this leopard. And the leopard is still inside of this rock, waiting to be released, waiting to be revived. So it's an interesting story, and it could quite well be true. Do you hear that? Incredible. We spent a lot of time, effort, and money sending energy into this rock, but getting nothing back out of it. It's broken some of our equipment at some points. Drones, turntables, microwaves, lawnmowers, all sorts of equipment. We're trying anything to figure this rock out, so it might sound odd. I'm not supposed to explain it. It's good that you're here, but a lot of this is still classified information, and there's still a lot to explore before we release this information to the public.
Can you speak to the weight of the rock, the mass?
Well, I tried to move it. I can't move it.
What sort of sacrifices have you made to study this rock?
Yeah, I've made a lot of sacrifices, actually. Yeah, I just recently missed my brother's wedding. I missed my college graduation. Yeah, I've missed a lot. I've really devoted my entire working career to studying this rock. I've been here a lot, and you know, someday I'm gonna pass on, and this rock is still gonna be here. And you know, the one thing that I ask is that when I do die, that my ashes, they get spread here, because I don't have a lot of connections here on this earth besides this rock, and yeah, it means a lot to me, honestly. Yeah.
What does your family think about the rock?
Like my family, like a lot of other people, they don't understand. You know, I don't understand, but they don't understand on a different level. They don't get the fascination, but you know, it's just this inner driving force to be able to understand what is going on here. And you know, I've learned from a lot of previous scientists, and they've instilled this, you know, energy within me to really try to understand what's going on with Zomba Rock, and I'm not leaving. You know, nothing's going to take me away from this rock. So, yeah. Any other questions? Sorry.
Have you ever been in love?
You know,